story of life. Kuma versus Afro. Might long travels, battles in the shadows. Brother versus brother. One is chasing, one is running. See the past is catching up fast. Might as well accept what's coming. Where are you running? Where are you going? Nowhere fast, here's your chance, seize the moment. Never seems to be ending to infinity. No surrendering, giving their everything till death is their identity. Don't know where you think you are going. To nearly 2 seconds away from imploding. Enter the cipher and keep on decoding. Chasing through night and catching in the morning. Number one headband, the only true portion. Afro's on fire and Kuma is scorching. Openly forces a warrior source is approaching. Whoa. Close by, you feel the emotion. From a distance you hear the commotion. Gravity's pulling, velocity's pushing. Yes, yes.
I found a little boy, lost in the forest. I didn't know what you were. I didn't know what would happen. Now, your failings are mine. Time to make amends. The face of a bear. What remains hidden beneath the ghost of myself?
Welcome, my children. I am Brother 3 of the MT7, and I want to tell you a story. A sad story of love and loss, forgiveness and redemption. This is the story of Kuma, the great warrior who protected the temple of Mount Shumi until his death at the hands of the #1 sword fighter in the world, Afro Samurai. The two were very close, brothers in fact, and that's what makes this story so drenched in sorrow. For Kuma loved Afro with every breath and watched as Afro killed their master and aided the butchering of Kuma's adopted brothers and sister by his selfish acts. Our story begins where it all should have ended. Mere days after Afro Samurai killed Kuma in an epic battle between brothers on different paths. But the two will soon find themselves together again on a different journey.
Hey, wake up! What are you doing?
Master. Afro. I remember now. I remember everything.
Look, Gino! Over here!
Fuck.
It's this way, Gino! Come this way!
Damn it!
Look, Gino! Over here!
When I walk through the streets, can't get caught dead in the middle where the predators creep. A freak of nature. nature meet Jamaica. Wake up, trying to run away from danger. Lace up, hitting nothing but the conscience as it drops all the philosophy. How to watch out for monsters and to conquer all the mockeries. Shots are popping off with these, make sure to make your reservations. Bullets I got
Down there. Gino, look down there.
Spirit speaking to me. They said they're bringing another what? Another demon to me. Do as you please, just another disease. Let the power decrease and leave the demon deceased. Peace. Be it with you, let it seep in deep tissue. So you keep no priest with you, feel the heat and sweet sizzle. So you wanna kick me while I'm already down? Get up, already down, get up.
Be careful, my brother. Your battle skills have been damaged by your recent combat with the afro-headed demon. You have forgotten much. There are many different types of enemies we will come up against in our journey, and each will have his own fighting style. You were the master at adapting to fighting styles, but Afro
Every breath is a revelation, so I keep reminding myself to take it. That leap of faith to face my fears, erase my years, cause real life just happens right here. Don't try so hard, no holding on. Let go of it all and realize it's in the hands of God. I get emotional when I express it. I get emotional whenever I hear it. I get so happy that I won't yeah, I feel this fire inside and it's building on me. Yeah, I feel the fire inside of this building. Yeah, I got this fire, but it's not.
Follow me, Gino.
I hit the deck and pick myself up off the floor in a sec. But my wrist gets weaker till all I have left is a little bit of breath in my chest. Yeah, I'm in a lifestyle my way through right now. Save my life and my people.
Atsuru! Remember now! I remember everything!
As Kuma climbed, barely able to make his way up the sheer cliffs of the Great Crevasse, he began to remember the moments that started his painful journey. On the night of the attack, Swordmaster instructed Gino and Afro, the best sword fighters of the school, to find and protect the children as they raced to their safe haven, a rocky outcropping near the ocean called the Bodhi Tree.
Damage, psyche, physical, spirit, conflict come near it, can't deter it.